I'm Edith Fayolle. I'm a scientist at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory in California in the US. I'm an experimentalist. I'm working on ice chemistry relevant to the outer solar system. And I'll soon present a seminar entitled Irradiating Microorganisms and Organics in Ice to guide the search for life on icy ocean worlds. So the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn are some of the best places to search for life in the outer solar system. Most likely because some of them, like Europa and Enceladus, have subsurface ocean. Microorganisms may potentially develop there and make their way up to the moon's surface. But if a mission with a lander probe these icy surfaces, what can we expect to find there given the harsh condition environments that these moons are subjected to? So in the seminar, I'll present you laboratory experiments where we reproduce the harsh conditions found on the icy moons, so the radiation and also the temperature. And I'll also show you how we evaluate their impacts using the specific case of bacterial spores as a proxy for endemic life there. I'll also show you some models that we're developing to predict the preservation rates of microorganisms and organics at various surface locations on these icy moons. And I'll show you how this helps guide the search for life and the missions that we are potentially sending there in the near future. So thank you. I'm looking forward to tell you all about this, and I hope that you will tune in.